Should mutual funds be judged on taking anchor allocation in a quote unquote overvalued stock IPO like Mama Earth? Our contention is absolutely not. The reason being that these are extremely small parts of the schemes concerned. We looked at the schemes which had applied for anchor allotment, and in the most uh, allocated case, the largest share of scheme assets, which was a Canara Robeco multi-cap scheme, had 1.5% in Mama Earth, which is not going to move the needle for them or their investors. A lot of people raised concerns, criticism, anger about this on social media, saying that even a single rupee of investor money should not be misallocated, should not be badly invested by fund houses. The question is, how do you know? How do you know that it was badly invested? So you think it was overvalued. The fund manager would have had a thesis, and they're required to record and document their thesis for all investments that they make. They are not required to disclose them publicly. In fact, they refuse to disclose them publicly or to the media, even if asked for regulatory reasons. There are some exceptions, but in the vast majority of cases, they do not disclose what their thesis is. But it is available to SEBI in case there is any questions on any investment of a fund. The broader point, however, is that a fund should not be judged by a single allocation to a single stock. We in Mint do not have a view on Mama Earth. We do not have a view on the decision to allocate money in the Mama Earth IPO. What we do have a view on is how to evaluate a mutual fund. And there we think that there are far more important parameters such as the scheme performance over long periods of time against the benchmark and against the category, how the scheme has managed to overcome downside volatility, how it has done during periods of market downturn, how it has how much experience the fund manager of the scheme has he or she seen many market cycles. Those factors to us matter a lot more because ultimately the scheme is a cumulative effect of many stock decisions of a fund and simply cannot be judged by a single one. Final case in point, a lot of Quant Mutual Fund has grown massively, delivering industry beating returns over the past several years. A lot of Quant's allocations were to Adani Group stocks at extremely high superlative valuations. However, there was hardly any online outrage on this, and rightly so, because again you cannot judge a scheme by allocation to a single stock. Thank you.